Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome to day 72 of Run the Year 2021, where we're going to post every day this year until we get to 2021 miles or more. So with that, first of all, let me welcome all of our new viewers and subscribers to the channel. This channel is all about positivity, motivation, inspiration, getting up and moving your body. No excuses, because everyone can get up and move their body, and that's what it's about. So with that, wow, we made it. We won today. We made it to Portland. Got in later than expected, so I wanted to get this run in and workout in before it was too late. So first we started with some gym time, and yes, I did get the push-ups in, but I did the push-ups with a different spin. So if you saw yesterday's video with the resistance bands, that's what I used. Since I'm traveling, I bought a resistance band, so I used that. So I did the push-ups with the band, and it was, to say the least, it was challenging. So if you want a challenge, get a resistance band. You can see here what I'm doing. Put it over your back, over your neck or your shoulders, and just push up. And you'll see at the top is where it becomes tough. So we started with that, we got that in. Then we moved into some squats. Again, this resistance band is great for squats. So you can see here, getting them in. The big thing here is to try to keep your form. Sometimes you can fall out of the form. So try to keep your form. And then from there, we went to bicep curls, giving those a try. Again, these are all a different feel, right? Because with the resistance band, you feel the tension all the way throughout, even at the squeeze and at the bottom. Then from the bicep curls, we went to kind of some flies. And you can see here, chest flies. And you can really feel these, trust me. So give it a try. It was a great workout. Everything was 10, except for the push-ups. You know how that goes. That's 40 seconds, 3 sets of 40. And hey, full disclosure, I couldn't get 3 sets with the band, so that last set was it with the bands, and it was tough, but we did it. So with that, fam, that's all I got. I'm proud of you for winning. If you got any value out of this, go ahead and hit the like button down below. If this is your first time here, welcome. And hey, invest in yourself, invest in your health. Hit that subscribe button right there.